Good morning to you, and how do you do? Oh, we are so happy to welcome you, and you are welcome to yet another day in your digital LKG class. And how was the day of your holiday? I hope you all enjoyed. So let's come back to our studies. And today we are going to start with a new letter. We are going to learn a new letter from our English alphabets. That is S. That is S. We have already done a says A, B says B, C says K, D says D, E says F says F, G says G, H says H, I says E, J says J, K says K, L says L, M says M, N says N, O says O, P says P, Q says Q. Now R says R. Now comes the new letter, that is S. That is S, just like a snake, jiggly wiggly snake. That is S. And the sound of S is S. Sound of S is S. S, snake. S, sun. S, smile. Okay, so keep smiling as we go through the letter S. And first of all, what are we going to do? We are going to listen to the story from our Fun with English book. Okay, how do you listen to the story? First of all, you see all the characters, the pictures of all the characters. Then you hear what the ma'am is saying and you then repeat it. See, listen, and then repeat through your mouth. Okay, first of all, let's see the pictures of all the characters from S Sound Story, and later we will do S Sound Story from our Fun with English book. And remember, the sound of S is S. S, snake. S, sun. S, smile. So with a big smile, let's start doing the characters of S Sound Story. Okay, let's start. So dear all, this is our letter S. This is our letter S. As I've told you, jiggly wiggly like a snake. Letter S. Curve and curve back. This makes a S. Okay, this is S. Curve and curve backwards. S. Okay. Now the sound of S is S. Sound of S is S. Now let's start with the characters. This is S, sky. This is S, sky. This is night sky, so that you can see so many stars in the sky. Okay, S, sky and S, stars. S, sky and S, stars. Now this is star. S, star. S, star. We all love to get a star when we do good in our notebooks and in our classes. Yes. So this is S, star. S, star. And look at this girl. What is the name of this girl? Sita. Sita. Name of this girl is Sita, and she is sitting. Sitting. Sitting matlab बैठना. Sitting. Girl name is Sita. Sita, and she is sitting. We all have this in our houses, in our drawing rooms. Yes, what is this? This is sofa. 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 This is a sofa. Sofa. Yes, and such a cute sofa in green color. Yes, sofa. And whenever we need to go somewhere outside, कभी नानी के घर जाते हैं, कभी घूमने जाते हैं, where do we pack our clothes in? हम अपने clothes कहाँ पे pack करते हैं? Yes, in a suitcase. Look, this is a suitcase. 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 Now look at these two cute girls. Look at these two cute girls. They are sisters. Sisters. Okay, sisters मतलब बहनें. Okay, बहनों को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Sisters. And when there are two boys, जब दो boys होते हैं, then they are brothers. Okay, so these two are sisters. Sister. Like मैम है, मैम की भी एक छोटी sister है. Sister. I am Ramnika and my sister's name is Radhika. Okay, so like that, these are two sisters. These are two sisters. Sisters. And now what is this? Room. What is this? This is a scooter. Scooter. Scooter तो सबने देखा है? Yes. Two wheeler 2 व्हील्स होते हैं इसमें. दिस इज अ स्कूटर. ममा भी चलाती है, पापा भी चलाते हैं, सब चलाते हैं. येस, सो दिस इज अ स्कूटर. 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 और स्कूटर पे जो भी बैठता है, चाहे वो फ्रंट पे ड्राइव कर रहा है, चाहे वो पीछे बैठे, दोनों को क्या लगाना होता है? हेलमेट. इट इज़ फॉर योर सेफ्टी. हेलमेट ऑलवेज. ओके. एंड दिस इज गर्ल्स वियर देम. गर्ल्स इनको पहनती हैं. येस, व्हाट आर दीज? स्कर्ट्स. स्कर्ट्स. गर्ल वियर देम. ओके. देखा ना आपने, गर्ल्स को स्कर्ट डाला होता है. हमारी फ्रेंड्स भी तो हैं क्लास में, दे वियर स्कर्ट्स. So these are skirts. 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 And we all wear them. What are these? These are a pair of socks. A pair of socks. Socks. Okay. And this is soap. Soap. It cleans our body and it cleans our hands also. Yes. Soap. Sabun. Soap. And it is very bubbly. देखो इसके bubbles निकलते हैं. Okay, so this is soap. Soap. These are skates. 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 What are these? Skates. Skates क्या होते हैं? जो आपके शूज़ होते हैं जिनके नीचे टायर्स, स्मॉल व्हील्स लगे होते हैं, टायर्स लगे होते हैं. नाउ नेम ऑफ दिस बॉय इज, यस, ये कुछ डरे से लगते हैं. ही लुक्स वेरी स्केर्ड. स्केर्ड मतलब डरना. His name is Sameer. Sameer. What is his name? Sameer. Sameer. And what is this? We all know it. What is this? Sun. 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 जिनसे हमें धूप मिलती है, गर्मी मिलती है, लाइट मिलती है. Yes. Sun. Sun. And this is snake. Snake. And what kind of voice does a snake make? और कैसी आवाज़ स्नेक का? द साउंड. व्हाट काइंड ऑफ साउंड डज अ स्नेक मेक्स? लाइक दिस. यस, लुक एट इट्स टंग. दिस इज अ स्नेक. स्नेक. एंड स्नेक इज अ डेंजरस एनिमल. यू हैव टू बी वेरी snake is a dangerous animal. You have to keep distance from snake. Okay, good. This is snake. Snake. So these were some words, new words that were starting with S, and the sound is sir. So this is S and its sound is S. Now let's do the story from our Fun with English book. Open your Fun with English book, all of you. Now this is your story from our Fun with English book. Now let's revise it again. S sound story. S sound story. Sound of S is S. Okay. Sun. Sofa. Sita. Suitcase. Soap. Skirt. Socks. Skates. And Sita is sitting. Sitting. Scooter. Sky. Stars. Stars in the sky. Stars. Snake. Sameer. And this is staircase. What is this? Staircase. Staircase मतलब सीढ़ियाँ. सीढ़ियाँ जो होती हैं that are called staircase. Okay. Staircase. Staircase. Okay. Now let's start with the story. The sky was very clear and stars were shining brightly. The sky was very clear and the stars were shining brightly. Sita was sitting near a sofa packing her suitcase. The sky was very clear and stars were shining brightly. Sky कैसा था? बिल्कुल साफ था और साफ आसमान में what was shining? Stars. Stars shine कर रहे थे. Stars were shining. Sita was sitting near the sofa. Sita कहाँ पे बैठी थी? सोफ़ा के पास. And she was packing her suitcase. वो अपना suitcase pack कर रही थी. She was going somewhere, so she was packing her suitcase. Okay. She and her sister were planning to go for a picnic on a scooter. Sita and her sister were planning to go for a picnic. किस पे? स्कूटर पे. सीता और उसकी सिस्टर क्या प्लान कर रही थी कि वो पिकनिक पे जाएंगे, लेकिन किस पे जाएंगे? दे विल गो ऑन अ स्कूटर. She kept a skirt, socks, soap, skates and many other things in the suitcase. जब भी हम कहीं जाते हैं तो हम अपना सूटकेस पैक करते हैं, वैसे ही सीता ने भी किया. सीता kept a skirt, एक स्कर्ट रखी, a pair of socks, सॉक्स रखा, soap for cleaning hand and body, and she kept skates and many other things in the suitcase. सूटकेस में उसने ये सारा कुछ पैक कर लिया. Her brother Samir came and hanged a calendar on the wall which had a picture of a sun. Samir, Sita ka brother, Sita's brother came and he hanged a calendar on the wall with a picture of sun. Okay. सीता का ब्रदर कौन है? समीर आए, उन्होंने क्या किया, एक कैलेंडर को वॉल पे हैंग कर दिया और उसमें किसकी पिक्चर बनी थी? सन. सन की पिक्चर बनी थी. सडनली मतलब अचानक. अ बिग स्नेक केम फ्रॉम आउटसाइड. सडनली अचानक बड़ा सा स्नेक आया. कहाँ से? बाहर से. एंड समीर गॉट स्केयर्ड एंड रैन अप द स्टेयरकेस. समीर गॉट स्केयर्ड एंड रैन अप द स्टेयरकेस. अचानक ही बाहर से एक बड़ा सा स्नेक आया और समीर को क्या हुआ? समीर गॉट स्केयर्ड. समीर को डर लगा. समीर गॉट स्केयर्ड एंड ही रैन अप द स्टेयरकेस. और वो सीढ़ियों के ऊपर भाग गया. एंड ही रैन अप द staircase. So this was the story of S. Now what you have to do, you have to keep your pointer finger like this and read all the characters: Sita, skates, scooter, snake, Samir. Okay, like this. Now in the next video we will learn how to write S with a very fun activity. Okay, so stay tuned.